Dad?
Dad?
Where are you?
I can't find you.
I'm right here. I had to see if it was safe to come out. Tropical Storm Sally passed over South Florida last night, and I wanted to make sure that it was safe to cook on my Blackstone Griddle for my family. Welcome back to Dad Life. Tonight's menu, Creamy Tuscan Chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. So like I said, I'm making creamy Tuscan chicken tonight. Earlier today I went out to a discount home improvement store and came across this lucky gem. It's a Lodge 5-quart skillet. These things normally sell for $71.95 online, but I got it today on a discount for $28, and I'm super excited to use it on the griddle to make our creamy Tuscan chicken. All right, we're gonna add our canola oil and get our chicken on first. I just went ahead and went with chicken tenderloins tonight for this. Season it with some salt. And some pepper. And we got some granulated garlic. As you can see, we still got some pretty heavy winds down here and it's blowing the garlic all over. And then just a little bit of touch of paprika. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. All right, and we're gonna add, it was a half an onion that I cut up. I chopped it up pretty fine, as you can see. We'll get that mixed in there with the garlic and the oil. All right, our chicken tenderloins are cooking up good. You can see our onion and our garlic and oil is cooking really good. So we're gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes. And then we're gonna add in the spinach to be cooked in. Whoa, that's a lot of spinach. So you wanna keep turning the spinach in here with the tomatoes to wilt it down so it cooks all the way down into the bottom. There we go. Looking even better now. Our spinach and tomatoes are looking really good. I'm gonna go ahead and add 4 cups of heavy cream, and we're gonna keep on stirring. The whole idea is this: you want to keep stirring so it doesn't burn and it doesn't curdle. All right, I'm going to add some more salt. And some pepper. All right, now that it's starting to boil a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and add this 8-ounce bag of Italian cheese. All right, so now that our cheese is melted, we're going to go ahead and put our chicken in. And then we are going to submerge the chicken down into the cream sauce. Okay, so our chicken is in there. Our cream sauce is done. I'm going to carry this inside and we have some angel hair pasta that we already cooked inside on the stovetop. All right, so here's our angel hair pasta. Let me go ahead and dig in here and get me, I should say, a couple pieces of chicken here. Oh, that cheese is still dripping off of there. Look at that. I'm gonna get some tomatoes and some spinach. That cheese is stringy. I am really loving this meal. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody supporting my channel. Shout out to Becky again for all of her spices. Have a good night.